Hi everyone, you are currently watching the tutorial video for kindergarten Google Sites. So if you are a parent, grandparent, aunt, uncle, or family member of a kindergartner, you are in the right place. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the kindergarten Google Site. So this Google Site is created just so that you can find a lot of information in the same space. Our Google Sites has the contact information for the teachers, Mr. Malcolm and Miss Black. It has your weekly agendas and materials that you're going to need. This will be updated to make sure that you know in advance what materials you need for any given week. Then we have our daily schedules. We have video lessons that you can click on, extra videos, and then we have tutorials. All right? So these are the different things that you can find on the site, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through them. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the site. This is the kindergarten site. If you click on August and September, it will take you to this welcome page. On this front page, you will meet your teachers. That's Mr. Malcolm, that's Miss Black, myself. And then we have our contact information. To help you out, we have our photos, email addresses, phone numbers, office hours, preferred method of contact. So we both prefer texts, though of course we respond to phone calls and emails as well. And then just for fun, we added our favorite snacks. We have our hopes and dreams down here. And this page is really to just be an easy way for you all to find out how to contact us when you need to. We also have fun games and videos for you to click on. Now these are not required, but they are fun videos that you can click on if you have some extra time with your kindergartner and want them to be doing some academic work. For example, you just click on the video.
A, apple, A. B, bat, B.
So this is just one of many videos that you can watch in your spare time with your kindergartner. This one leaves space for the kindergartner to repeat the letters and the sounds, so it's just good practice to have. Under this tab, you also have your tutorial section where you find this video, among others. Now, in order to plan ahead, we wanted to make sure that you all would know what materials are needed at least a week in advance. So if you click on the week, it pops up with every day of the week it's applying to, and then the materials that you'll need. So for this first week of school, every day the math materials and the reading materials are the same. You'll need the Eureka Math Workbook, you'll need countable objects, and you'll need a left-hand map. It looks like this, and it's actually in your Eureka Math book. For CKLA, our reading, you only need the workbook. So this is going to change week by week, and if you click on week 2, you'll see that you need different things on different days of the week. We don't have school on Labor Day, and we don't have school on Wednesday. So what that means is that on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, you will need these materials with your kindergartner. The purpose of putting the materials down on these schedules is to make sure that if your kindergarten student is going to a different location or might be in a different place, or you all are traveling for whatever reason, you'll be able to know in advance the materials that are needed to do the lessons. All right, after you look at what the overview for the week is, you can go in day by day and click on the daily agenda. So for Monday, and this actually will be August 31st, excuse me, you will always have a daily checklist. These are the different things that you'll need to complete. There should be a math component, an independent work component, and a reading component. And then when you scroll down, you'll see different videos. There will usually be 3 videos a day. some sort of morning meeting or social emotional video, a math lesson, and a read aloud. If you click on these videos, you can just go right in to watching them.
Just moved here from Venezuela.
If you want them to be full screen, you can always click on this option, but you can also just watch it in the screen like I'm doing right here.
And because they don't understand, the classroom will fill with laughter.
So you can watch these with your kindergartner whenever is convenient to you. We know everyone's schedules are different, and with virtual learning, it can be a little bit tricky to find a good time to get these things done. And that's why we have these videos here, so that you can do it when it makes sense for you. After you do a lesson or watch a video, sometimes at the bottom, you'll see a link that says exit ticket. When you click on that link, it will take you to a form. There is normally going to be a question to answer, or sometimes, like in this one, there might be a video for your student to watch and respond to. For the first day of school, this is the exit ticket for the read aloud.
Hi, kindergarten. For today's exit ticket, I want you to answer this question. What is one thing about you that you want to share with the rest of the class? You can go ahead and send me a video with your answer.
So this is a way for your child to see the exit ticket, see me read it out loud, or see a picture, and then they can respond whatever way is easiest for you. There's space here for you to add a file, and that means that you could take a video of your student responding. You could take a picture of maybe a math worksheet. You can submit this in whatever way makes sense to you, and then you click submit, and it gets sent to myself and Mr. Malcolm. All right, at the end of every day, there is an activity. This is the activity that you will be working on in Google Classrooms. That's in a separate tutorial. But it's just a reminder of what we are working on at any given week. So this week, we're separating plants from animals. So again, just to recap, we have our month, which has our contact information. You have your weekly schedules, and then you have your daily activities, okay? If you have any questions regarding any of these things, you can go ahead and contact myself or contact Mr. Malcolm. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and please reach out with any concerns.